Hey, is it red now? Dad, is it red now?
That's what Lori said. I will find out tomorrow.
I think it's the same boat.
No, it's a different boat.
You weren't even here. You don't know.
What? Oh, the biking ride? Leave me alone. Of course, it's not that same boat, bro. Get Elsa and Anna up in here. Oh, that seat look wet. You get on the all the way on the side. Hey! Why, you got a problem if I'm in the middle? Why? You need a sugar cone right quick? Why, you need, Mom, you need a treat? Like, you need ice cream?
Let it go. Let it go. Not there yet.
No.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Friends going out, and it'll be so beautiful. See you there.
Man, these rides don't know how to be like a little bit smooth.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. And Thor.
Oh, yeah, it's going upwards. I don't know that.
Here's where it used to go now.
I can't hear a thing.
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time, you're here.
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever. To test the limits and break. No right, no wrong, no rules for me.
Wow. Wow. Are we going backwards the whole time? Ow, ow. Hey man, I don't like this. less. I didn't get a lot of water at all. I got little water.
Oh, that's in my butt.
Why are you screaming like a little girl? Like, golly, man. Oh my god.
That's why.
Come on, I think there's some water on my boot titties. Like a boot in Connie's.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly.
Oh, I thought you said something. I thought you said something.